Hello, welcome po sa unboxing natin dito sa isa sa pinakasikat na USB microphone in the market today, Maono Fairy USB microphone. So yan, makikita nyo yung box ng Maono Fairy. It is very simple or they said minimalistic. So what you can see inside the box is just a microphone, the manual, and one accessory. Actually, the headset, they sent the headset for free, so it's not the actual accessory. So let me tell you the key 8 features of this microphone. First, the microphone capsule. May dual capsule circuitry siya kasi pwede siya as Cardioid and Omni Directional. So you can use this, you can focus your voice or instrument while minimizing the sound of the room. So may microphone gain siya, may knob siya to increase and decrease the gain. And also it has a headphone volume, so you can decrease or increase the volume of your headphone or the audio monitor. So as I've said, my dual switch for omnidirectional and Cardioid, so that's number 4. And number 5, my headphone jack for universal 3.5mm TRS jack to use for voice monitor and audio output. And number 6, it is a USB Type-C high-speed audio data transmission. Number 7, definitely it is a multi-purpose stand or tabletop microphone, so you can easily adjust the microphone posture, which is compatible with boom arm stand as well. And number 8, so it has a heavy and shock absorption, makes microphone more stable. So it's very sturdy, and the quality and the material is aluminum alloy.